The United Nations, or UNO, is the world's largest international organization, founded in 1945 to promote peace, security, and cooperation. At its heart are six main organs. The General Assembly, the world's town hall where each of the 193 member countries has one equal vote. The newest member is South Sudan, admitted in 2011. Here, nations debate global issues and shape international policy. The Security Council, tasked with maintaining peace and security. It has 15 members, 5 permanent members with veto power. The United States, the United Kingdom, Russia, China, and France. 10 non-permanent members elected for 2-year terms by the General Assembly. Today, discussions about Security Council reform are ongoing as many nations seek a more representative structure. The Economic and Social Council, or ECOSOC, focuses on global economic, social, and environmental challenges, promoting sustainable development and human rights. The Trusteeship Council, once vital for guiding former colonies to independence. Today it has suspended operations, having fulfilled its mission. The International Court of Justice, or ICJ, based at the Peace Palace in The Hague, Netherlands, it settles legal disputes between nations and provides advisory opinions on international law. The Secretariat, led by the Secretary-General, currently Antonio Guterres, coordinates the UN's day-to-day operations and humanitarian efforts worldwide. Together, these 6 organs form the backbone of the United Nations, working every day toward a safer, more just, and more peaceful world.